Good morning, family. This is Data for Simply Me Journey. Family, I have a DIY project, and this is something that I purchased. I've been wanting an armoire wardrobe thing to put to hang clothes in. Well, I found one a couple of weeks ago at the resale shop here in my town, and so I have already started kind of working on it. The only thing I've done so far, remove the hardware from right here, remove the hardware, and let me show you what I removed. Okay, I removed these here, little old lock thing it had on here, and it's going to be replaced with some new hardware. And let me tell you the measurements of this here cedar armoire. Its height is 63 and 3/4. The width is 34.5 inches, and the depth is 21. And let me open it up for you. It's really big and deep. It's bigger than what I really want it to be as far as the depth, but that's fine. It's really, really, really big in here to me. I'm able to put some stuff in it, and it was a rod. You can barely see a rod, but the rod is in there where I can hang clothes. And that's what I wanted, something I can hang clothes in. And also when I bought the cedar chest, you see the little thing up there? This thing here, it came inside of it. It was a clock in there, and the clock was totally busted, so I just removed the clock, and I thought just sitting on here like that is a great idea. And I bought that lantern from Home Depot, Home Depot for about $7. I thought they looked pretty good on top there. And this is going to be a DIY project. I'm going to strip the hard, whatever this stuff is, varnish or whatever, I don't know. I'm going to strip that off of there. I want it to be a natural, I want the natural color. Once I strip, I might use oil and put oil on it instead of putting another paint on it to make, I don't like the shiny, not the shiny. I want everything to look natural. And also I bought things, the changes I'm going to make. Like I said, we're going to take the old handles off. I removed those. And I put wood putty here so we can fill the holes up here. And then I'm going to sand all it down. And this is the new hardware that's going on it. This is going to be the new hardware. I want it black. And also I'm going to hang a mirror. I'm gonna hang a mirror right here. I already purchased a mirror at IKEA when I was in Houston, you know, doing my eye surgery. So here go my mirror. And I also purchased a hanging storage system. There's 6 baskets. So that's gonna hang on one side. And yeah, it's gonna hang on one side of the thing. And so this is my Armoire DIY project that I'm going to start today. I'm going to strip all that paint off of it, top and bottom, all the way around. We're going to strip all that. I got to run to the store to get something to cover my furniture. I didn't feel like going anywhere yesterday. And finally, this is something I got for someone. It was used. I like it. It has oil in it. I cleaned it up real good yesterday. And that's nothing like having a good old-fashioned oil lamp, okay? And these are items that I'm going to be using. All right, here goes my black hardware. I got my scrapers. This is what I use to put in the hole. What is it called? Plastic, wood, put in the holes. My scratch pads. Oldest mineral spirit and premium stripper. And I also have my cotton cloth, I think they call cheesecloth. I have those. These are the things that I'm going to be using this morning for my DIY project here. And I don't think I'm going to be using anything else. And guys, this thing is really stored. I had those bins in it. I had all of that stuff right there inside of this armoire. And yeah, this is my project. I love it. I wanted something new. I didn't have to necessarily have to have a brand new one. I paid $120 for it at the resale shop. And but I wanted to make it my own personal. You know, I wanted to look like something I like. And yeah, so we're going to strip that paint off today. I'm going to get as much done of this project today as possible. I don't want to keep lingering, holding on, and doing this and doing that. So yes, I want to get it done, if possible, today. It's early in the morning, probably like 8 o'clock in the morning, I believe. And I got up and got dressed, headed out to the store, and I'm going to pick up some cloth to put over my furniture. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to tell you about another project I have that we worked on yesterday. You know, I've been trying to get my little patio area done over here by the trees. So I'll be showing you all that soon. And I got to get out and water my garden real quick before I go, because I didn't water it last night. Get out and water my garden. Hi family, this is Ned Simply Me Journey. I just wanted to come on here and show you all that my this is going to be video number 1 on my DIY Armoire restoring project. And I want to bring you guys along with me, even when I get ready to put the little new stuff in there, my mirror up on there, and the hardware. I'll be filming all of that stuff. Stripping. I'll be filming as much stuff as possible about my new project. Here my alarm go off. I thought it was somebody coming to join. But I don't see none. Maybe it's on the road. Yeah, fam. I hope you all are having a wonderful good time. Just a little update on my eye surgery. My eyes still going well. I know I have to have surgery on the second one. So, but it's doing good. I had 0 pain. Doing surgery, after surgery, I didn't have any pain at all. So it was just an easy, quick 20-minute process, they said. And I'm doing well with it. And I can tell you what, I can really see much clearer. Those are those sleeping pads I put on that cot for Maxon. So yeah, I sleep really, really good. Yeah, my little buddy, he's back with me. He done start school. So, yeah, he starts school, and he's hanging out with his big brother this weekend. Give me a little break. But yeah, my family, I'm not going to keep you much longer. And y'all have a blessed, awesome Saturday day. And y'all remember to do things, stay positive, do fun, enjoyable things, and please enjoy your journey. All right, family. Love you guys. Bye-bye. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Bye-bye.